right, another critical stop here in Addis Ababa. When you're visiting, you gotta ask them about Meskel Square. If you're working with a tour operator, every cab driver knows where it is. Meskel Square is a brand new unity square. Once again, the word unity is an ongoing theme here in Ethiopia because this is the heart of the African Union. And I was wondering why the vibes in the city were starting to pick up. There was a certain energy that started to pick up. Today is Saturday, so since Thursday afternoon, I was wondering what was going on. It just seemed to be the traffic is picking up. A lot of the vendors seem to be hustling to different places. And so I found out that unfortunately, I'm leaving at the time that the African Union will be meeting here. But that's okay. As long as they're meeting, I'm happy about that. And the African Union will be coming together to discuss all affairs Africa, and anything ranging from politics to finance to infrastructure, you name it. And this was originally started as the OAAU, Organization of African Unity, started by His Imperial Majesty Haile Selassie here in Ethiopia. One of the issues with the original formation of the OAAU was a disagreement between some of the leaders. There were two movements inside of the contingency. One of which was a radical breaking away from the colonizers. And then there was the movement of the slow and gradual breaking away, a dissolving of relationships with the colonizers. But yeah, guys, it's all happening right here in Meskel Square. You even hear South African music in the background going on. I hear Zouk music. So they celebrate all kinds of African music and culture here. That's what Addis Ababa is all about, guys. This is seriously the heart of Africa. So if you see this runway behind me here, they're prepping a big runway. I think they're going to have a ceremony where they're going to have the leaders do a special event. So the production crews are here. All the producers are happening here. You see we've got some of the important officials checking everything out. This is not Ethiopian music in the background. This is a gentleman by the name of Oliver Ngoma. And he is from Ivory Coast or somewhere like that. So even down to the music, they've got these international DJs here to make sure that they have a great variety of music to make everyone from all over Africa feel home. In fact, I just heard something from Ivan Shaka Shaka of South Africa. So they are ready musically, they're ready culturally. Even past me right here, there's a row of flags here. They have flags for every African nation. So they're ready for everyone. Also going on is AFCON, the African Cup of Nations soccer tournament. That is a huge continent-wide tournament where all of the nations of Africa compete to be the champion of the continent. They have massive plasma screens here. You get to see all the soccer. It's just a great experience here, guys. Yes, sir. It's going to be a grand celebration as the dignitaries start to come in from Ghana, Ivory Coast, Mauritania, Morocco, Libya, Chad, Central African Republic, South Sudan, all of the African nations will be meeting here soon. So there are going to be some grand celebrations going on here. You know, as you can see, you have quite a few Chinese contractors here. Yeah, that's right. Keep moving, buddy. You also will see a lot of remnants of the No More movement here. That's right. You'll see the No More hashtag over here. The No More movement is big. They're serious about Western media distorting the facts here. And guys, I got to tell you, I haven't seen anything similar to what the stories that CNN and BBC are running about Ethiopia here. This city is very safe. The security forces here, the federal police forces, the local police forces are keeping everything safe, under control. I have seen not 1 ounce of trouble here. Not a single ounce. And I'm referring to local crime. Of course, there is some, of course, as in all cities where people are hustling to make a dollar. But I also have not seen any sign of any Tigray conflict happening here. No, there are no soldiers taking the city over. The city's not under siege. But people are aware. Security is heightened a little bit, but that's for everyone's safety, period. And that's really due to the fact that the African Union will be meeting here soon. Well, it is February 1st. I was supposed to have been gone last night, January 31st, but why am I still here? The African Union is here this week. And so, anytime the African Union meets, it's a historical kind of thing, So, like I said in the other clips, you saw the vibes going on at Meskel Square, all those things going on. So it kind of made it a little hard to just get out of here,
just got my first train ticket. Thought I'd be riding on the subway, or well, really a L train type thing. Very nice, classy trains. Y'all see them federal troops behind me? They ain't playing. Security for surety. Man, you know what? I ain't even tripping on a 5-bird train ticket, man. This shit's crazy. I ain't got to ride this train.
Meskel Square, guys, man, this is just the place to be passing through. That train ride was nuts, wasn't it? Oh yeah. Check out one of my tradesmen doing his thing. Official Ethiopian MC, announcer, hyping it up. Man, he was rocking it, right?
I stopped by the Hyatt Regency to grab a little tea. I'm not sure what's going on. I think we got some important dignitaries coming in because the soldiers won't let us leave the hotel yet. No security protocol, so you know, they're kind of holding the street down back there for a second. I'm hoping my driver can get through.
Oh boy, that was fun. Police blockade right in front of the Hyatt Regency. I don't know who was passing by. One of the African presidents, I'm not sure which one. All of them are here. But you know, I'm trying to meet my driver and he's calling me and I'm calling him and we're trying to figure out where each other are. I'm trying to tell the soldiers I'm waiting for the driver. So once they let us go from a half a block from the hotel, I walked back in front of the hotel, and there were still more soldiers not wanting to say, hey, hold on, wait, we're not finished. So I went and got one of the sergeants, and I asked him to talk to my driver, you know. The one thing I'm not gonna do is argue with an AK-47. Absolutely not.